Hey everyone, Creative Zombie here. I got Tricky Zachary next to me, Everyday Petty Productions behind the camera, and Dakota right here. You can't really see her because she's not in range of the camera. But anyway, today we're talking about our best ideas for earning money. Number one is yard work. Maybe you could take out the lawnmower and cut the lawn, or get some big clippers and cut some sticker bushes you don't need, and maybe you could pull out weeds, climb a tree or two if you have any, and you could make the whole experience fun.
Our second idea is washing the car. You can make it fun by spraying your parents or your siblings.
Okay, our number 3 best topic is pet care and dog walking. You can get that moolah in by walking other people's dogs and maybe washing them and giving them a big belly rub, scratching behind their ears. They love that. Our number 4 best topic is house chores, and you can get allowance from that. And some examples of house chores are like maybe mopping the floor, wash the dishes, put dishes in the dishwasher, put clothes to the washing machine. And there's also making your bed, and you can also get out the vacuum and get some couch money collecting in there. And then there's good grades.
Topic number 5 is getting good grades. If you get good grades, just maybe your parents might give you money. For us, if we get A's or B's, we get $10 for B's and $20 for A's.
Some other ideas are you can maybe put up tutorial videos on YouTube about how to set up maybe a TV software or maybe an Xbox One or something like that, and you can subscribe and like to them, and so they can get money. And you could also do chores for other people, like baking cakes, babysitting, creating photo books, tutoring, and music lessons if you're into that. And that's going to wrap it up for today's Everyday Penny Productions video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Go check out my channel, the Creative Zombie. It's a gaming channel. And stay tuned for the next video on this. And also go check out my brother's channel, Tricky Zachary. He doesn't have any videos on it yet, but he will have some posted up on there soon. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye! What? Why'd you start? I looked ready. Did you see what I was doing?
He's like,
what? No, cut it.
Sorry.
best topic is pet care and dog walking. So you can get that moolah in by walking your other people. No. That one can be a blooper.
My luscious hair.
Number 3 is pet care. You can put your pets in the tub. I don't see what's fun about that. I didn't say I was ready. Hey everyone, welcome. No, I forgot. Dakota,
What are you doing here?
Stop.
Oh, she wants my chip.
1, 2, 3, action.
Hold on.